Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have an elastic collision between two bodies. Okay, so the elastic collision is between an M1 that's moving to the right with some with V1I, and then collides with M2, which is V2I equals to 0. And then after the collision, okay, M1, okay, travels with a quarter of V1I, and then M2 travels with some final velocity. Okay, we want to find the mass of M2 and the speed of the center of mass if the initial speed of the 2 kg body was 4 meters per second. So M1 is 2 kg. Okay. Okay, so to solve this problem, okay, so the situation is an elastic collision between a moving object and a stationary object. So we can actually use the formula V1F is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M2, okay, times V1I, okay, because this is an elastic collision. Right, so and we are given that V1F is a quarter of V1I, right? Okay, so we have M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M2 is a quarter, right? So we have 4M1 minus 4M2 equals to M1 plus M2, and we have 5M2 equals to 3M1, and so M2 is 0.6 times M1, okay? M1 is 2 kg, so M2 is 1.2 kg, okay? Then in part B, okay, we want to find the VCM if the initial speed of the 2 kg body was 4 meters per second, okay? Here we'll be using the formula VCM equals to 1 over the total mass times mi, sum of mi, vi, okay? So we'll be using the before situation, okay? So because we have conservation of momentum, okay? So we have m1 v1i divided by m1 plus m2, and so we have 2 times 4 divided by 2 plus 1.2, and you get 0.25. It's actually 2.5 meters per second. Okay, so this is the answer for part B, and that's all for this question.